Day 2. This is my Sunny's cage now. I think it's day 3 or 2. I don't know. But see what I told you? I got this thing, the hammock, and I got some stuff to make it like a desert thing. Like you kind of see it now. And then this thing, and I got a bigger glass cage for her because she got a bigger. Look at her, the big girl. And yeah, I got her a new water and like I forgot what those things called. Like those right there. I forgot what it's called. But look at her. And right now I'm just feeding her some worms. Okay. It's pretty hard. There. Yeah. And I got like a new one. Like a new thing right here. We got all this from like, we got all this from yesterday. I tried to like record it yesterday, how to like build it. But I forgot to do that, you know. Looks like a temperature right there. That's good. And it helps you out to know what temperature the thing is for like the thing. So you can know what to like make sure it's not too hot or too cold. And it's 20-gallon trim. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna read all that. That's gonna take me like a while, you know. But this gallon also brings with this thing, this, and this. All this I just got from Petco, you know. And I ain't in my knees right now. Okay. Let's see. Why is it so hard? These things are like 10 times huge. Got one. Damn. You can grab it with your hands. It's not gonna kill you. And this is how you change the thing. I don't have nothing, Sandy. I'm just changing your bowl. First, you get this one. This has like, I don't know, but this is good for them. That's for sure. They eat it. They'll eat it. So I'm like have a runny nose, you know. It's pretty hard. It's just so hard to open. Look at it. It's this. You put some right here. Okay. This. Pretty hard to open too. Got it. Don't pour too much because we all know they're not gonna eat all of it. And then get like small worms, you know. Just don't put big ones. Ooh, look at that. See that? Natural instinct. But let's get some worms. For me, I'm just natural, just scrubbing it with my hands. For some people that are like nervous about doing that, don't worry about nothing. They won't hurt you or anything. This is for like something so I can grab the worms because they're pretty small. But yeah, there's some set here. They just are small and they're very hard to find. Look at that. Might give her some, I don't know. I'm not giving her some. This is her like dinner, you know, like her dessert. Or you could check on the side. You look and see it. That's one right there. Look at it. Look it over here. You gotta look on the sides. If it's not on the sides, you're probably like in the middle. So you gotta grab it from the middle. No, don't run. Don't run. Get there. Let's see what else. Huh. I'm gonna give it that much. I'm just saying, don't just put that much inside there. Because you don't want your beer dragon fat. See what I say? Don't eat it. Whatever. But it does make a lot of mess. But just keep your leisure alive more longer. So don't be like starving to death. And this tree, like this branch right here, she hardly goes on it. But the old one, the old glass cage, she used to go like on this another wood. Like it's different from this one. But this one looks nice with the thing. It kind of looks like more like deserty, you know. Like last time I was like saying to put like desert type of thing like in the back right here, but haven't done that yet. And there's also crickets right here, but I want to give her not that much because those things last like not that much. There's only like a little bit. Yeah, you heard me when I said cricket time. But the worms are like her favorite. The crickets are her second. And the kale that I could show you guys what the kale looks like. It's like a vegetable thing for them. That one's like last. But she eat it like it's healthy for them. But yeah. She likes to go on top of that in the hammock. Because that's like where the lights are at. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had to put this stuff inside that thing. I forgot to show you guys to do that. God, why is that so hard? But don't put it like a lot. Or you just can grab with your hands. Yeah. Just wash your hands. If you'd like get worried it's not gonna come off, it is. It's just like powder, you know. Yeah. This is day 3 of my Blue Dragons.